Now, first question, obviously, just as suggested by that info, you've been around for a century. Clearly, a lot of opportunities over that period to go public through a regular IPO. I'm sure over the years, opportunity to just sell the business, maybe to a bigger player. Why was this the preferable option, is merging in with one of these listed SPAC companies?
Sure. I mean, it's kind of funny. The whole SPAC craze really ignited in the last couple of months, but we started talking to Collier Creek maybe July of last year, kind of before this became such a craze. And what we really loved about Collier and the combination with them and the creation of this new public company called Utz was the governance and the team from Collier that had a ton of experience in CPG and running businesses. And when we started talking about strategy and what we thought Utz could become into the future, we met a lot with Roger Daramidi, with Jason Giordano, with the folks from Collier, and we just really collaborated on what that strategy would be going forward, and everything kind of clicked and it made sense. So we decided to go public via the SPAC route, which has been a fantastic experience so far.
So in your case, then, it was the personnel, the people that you would be essentially teaming up with through this structure, as opposed to a reluctance for some reason to consider a traditional IPO?
Yeah, I think it was just the team itself. And when we met with them and really looked at their background and what they'd been able to do in the past with other CPG companies, it just made a lot of sense. So, when you do go public through a SPAC, it is a different process. You have a lot more certainty as to what the construct of the deal will look like. And we spent a lot of time just building out what that would look like over the last 12 plus months. So we're really excited about it. But yes, the people 100% is a big part of it.
Dylan, it's Brian Sullivan. So you're obviously raising money for something. What do you want to buy? What's out there to be bought?
Well, I mean, it's a great, we over the last 10 years, Brian, we've done a lot of mergers and M&A activity where we've bought a lot of companies, and we've really created this national platform. So, in the process of that, we did take on debt to do it. So with the influx of the capital from the combination from the SPAC going public, we're really going to clean up our balance sheet to a really great position. And as we go forward, I mean, we think we have a ton of organic opportunity just to grow geographically or into some of the subcategories that we're not as robust in, that we should be more robust in. But to your point, the M&A pipeline is huge, and we think there's just a ton of opportunity to continue to expand across the country as we've done really for the last almost 99 plus years.